Okay, I'm going to put a clamp on this to hold it for a second while I talk to you. I have lashed around the basket, and I'm just at the point where I'm coming to this handle. Now, when you lash a basket, you can decide to just go one round or go back so that you have X's over everything. I don't do a double lashing, I only do a single, but one thing I do is I try to put an X on my handle so that they don't pull out. So the way that you do that is, that was the gap right next to the handle, and I've gone across the back of the handle, looks like that, and I'm going to come back in that same hole. Making sure I don't twist anything. And then I can, so that's the first part of my X. So the X always starts from the right, goes to the left, and then the left to the right. And then this way, you are not off in the direction of your lashing, which means the next one will go in there. And you see it's still starting from the top and going diagonally to the right. Okay, and that's how you do that. Once again, get rid of this thing. And just review once again, and this is just my preference, this is the way I do it. You can take your filler and go around the back. I don't, I splice just a single piece in here. That's just the way I do it. It doesn't have to be. But like I say, there's a lot of different ways to make a basket. So I'm going to show you this one more time on the second part of this handle. Alright, so I'm in the gap right next to, and I'm going to come diagonally across the back, so the first part of my X starts from the right top, goes down to the bottom left. Okay, we're going to get rid of this guy. The second part of my X then is from the left upper corner to the right lower corner. And that is what keeps the direction in your lashing correct, so it doesn't start going the opposite way. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and finish this last little bit of lashing that I've got to do. And then remember I talked about, you know, ending it. So basically what I'm going to do when I end this is the same thing as what I did when I started it. I'm going to go down on that same stake, down 2, come back 1, and then cut it. But when I get there, I'll show it to you.